Okay, so the postman just delivered another barrel for my rock tumbler here, so we're going to go ahead and open it up. Got it from wirejewelry.com. See it's well packaged. There it is. And that's going to be barrel number 2. We'll put a 2 on it. And today we're going to load this up with some rose quartz that we got from the Hogg Mine in LaGrange, Georgia. Over here I have a selection of quartz that came from the Hogg Mine. It's got a lot of rose quartz. This is white quartz that has little lines running through it, so that's going to put up the side. This should be interesting. This is just regular white quartz from the mine. I'm going to run it, see what happens. And then I got smoky quartz, and off to the side some quartz that has an orange color to it, and I'm not sure if that's just staining from the dirt. And that'll come off and there'll just be white quartz underneath, or if that's actually going to turn out orange. One day I'll run it and we will see. Okay, so these are the pieces of rose quartz I've selected. Sorry about the whiting, they are definitely going to have a more pinkish hue. And they look a little bit washed out here, but it does have a pink to it. Load it in the barrel. Thing is, you gotta watch out about quartz because it is sharp as glass. It will cut you. I did cut myself a couple times mining it. These came off a big boulder underneath an oak tree. I don't quite have, maybe that's 2/3. I'm gonna throw a piece or 2 more in there. Got a piece or 2 from over here. Anything else? That's a thin piece. That piece. All right. So I'm going to go get the measuring cups and put the grit in. All right, ready to put in the grits. Going 4 scoops for this. All 4. And out of water. And this is the first time I've had 2 barrels on this thing, so we'll see what she does. Seems like she's going to do alright. Seems like these barrels like to walk a little bit. I do have those bars parallel within a 10,000th of an inch. So we'll see. Hopefully that shouldn't cause a problem. I'll check back in about 7 days and see what happens with this quartz. See you later.